In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members to a group in Notion. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a group and add people to it, so you can manage access and permissions much more easily across your workspace. First, open your Notion workspace on your computer. To start, you'll need to go into your workspace settings. Look towards the top left corner of the screen, where you'll see the workspace name. Next to it, there's usually a small arrow or an option that opens a menu. Click there, and then choose the Settings option. This is where all of your workspace level controls live, including members, groups, and permissions. Once you're inside the Settings panel, look for the section labeled People. Click on People. This area shows you everyone who currently has access to your workspace, along with their roles and permissions. It's the central place for managing who can see and edit different parts of your Notion setup, so it's good to get familiar with it. Within the People section, you'll see a tab or subsection called Groups. Go ahead and click on Group. Groups in Notion are really useful when you're working with teams, departments, or any set of people who need similar access. Instead of setting permissions one person at a time, you can assign permissions to a group and then simply add or remove people from that group. Now, you're ready to create a group. Look for a button or link that says Create Group and click on it. At this point, you'll typically be prompted to name your group. Choose a name that clearly describes who will be in it, like Marketing Team or Project A members. You can also add a short description if that's available, just to make it clear what the group is for. Once you're done, save or confirm the creation of the group. After your group is created, you'll see it listed under the Group section. To add members, find that group and look for the three-dot menu icon, usually on the right side of the group's row. Click on the three dots and then select Add Members. A search or selection window will appear, showing the people in your workspace. Start typing a person's name or email, select them from the list, and they'll be added to the group. Repeat this for everyone you want included. When you're finished, simply close the settings panel. Your group is now set up, and all selected members are part of it, ready to use for permissions and collaboration in Notion.